Hello everybody, I'm just going to show you what's in a Textile Heritage fridge magnet cross stitch kit. Here you'll see the DMC floss. It comes with a pre-packaged needle. Depending on the kit, you'll have the 18 count Zweigart Ada fabric. You'll get the magnet where you'll be placing your stitched piece, and these are the instructions. The instructions are aimed at beginners, so if you've never stitched before, you'll find it very easy to do. And then the pattern on the back shows you in black and white symbols how to stitch this Celtic jewel fridge magnet.